everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Just Jakayla here, and as you've seen by the title, today we're just going to be unboxing Aespa's deluxe boxes today. So I'm gonna move this out the frame for a minute so my address won't show. But yeah, we have two boxes to open because I bought two. They are both the same version, which is just the regular t-shirt. So let's just go on and get right into it. Sorry if you can see my dog. She's being nosy. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just open these up and see who we pulled. And I am gonna keep one t-shirt, and one t-shirt I'm gonna be selling. It's a size medium. Okay, let's open this one first. So I think I've seen these. Okay, I believe the PC is under the CD. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the CD out, and here's the shirt. And I'm just gonna take a quick look at it. This is the one that we'll be keeping. It says Savage, Aespa in the middle. Okay. Okay, I'm so nervous. Now for our pull. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, sorry, it's here. Bing! Winter! Okay. And now for our next one. 1, 2, 3. Let's get it. Gigi! Oh my God, I pulled my bias. So we have Winter and Gigi. So if you're selling Gigi long sleeve, hit me up. My Instagram is myblinksells. So here are our pulls. Oh my God, they're both so cute. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.